Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel. Today, inshallah, we are learning numbers in Arabic. So, our goal is to learn the numbers, which are also known as unit numbers, and they are from 1 till 10. Al-A'dadul Arabiya. 1 is wahid. 1, wahid. 2, اثنان. 2, اثنان. 3, ثلاث. 3, ثلاث. 4, أربع. 4, أربع. 5, خمس. 5, خمس. 6, ست. 6, ست. 7, سبع. 7, سبع. 8, ثمان. 8, ثمان. 9, تسع. 9, تسع. And 10, عشر. 10, عشر. Now this is one way of saying the unit numbers, and the other way of saying the same numbers is واحدة. 1, واحدة. In the previous one you have seen that there was no circle ta at the end, so it was wahidun, and this is wahidatun. 2, ithnatan. 2, ithnatan. 3, thalathatun. 3, thalathatun. 4, arba'atun. 4, arba'atun. 5, khamsatun. 5, khamsatun. 6, sittatun. 6, sittatun. 7, sab'atun. 7, sab'atun. 8, thamaniyatun. 8, thamaniyatun. 9, tis'atun. 9, tis'atun. And 10, asharatun. 10, asharatun. In today's lesson, our goal is to learn teen numbers, which are called asharat in Arabic. These numbers are from 11 till 19. Let us now create teen numbers from unit numbers. So there are some steps in making teen numbers. First we have unit numbers with us. Wahid, Ithnan, Thalath, 1, 2, 3. We will make a bit of change in these numbers. So Wahid will become Ahada. Wahid will become Ahada. Ithnani will be transformed. Ithna and Thalath will become Thalathata. So this is the very first change, and we all know that T numbers are basically compound numbers. So this is the first step. Secondly, we are going to place Ashara at the end. So Ahada, we add Ashara, we get Ahada Ashara. So 11 is Ahada Ashara. So this is the process. First we transform number 1 to Ahada, and then we add Ashara. It became Ahada Ashara, 11. Then we add Ashara to Ithna. It become Ithna Ashara. Ithna Ashara, 12. Then we add Ashara to Thalathata. So we get Thalathata Ashara. So these are 11, 12 and 13. Ahada Ashara, Ithna Ashara, Thalathata Ashara. Then we have Arba'un, Khamsun, Sittun. Arba'un 4, Khamsun 5, Sittun 6. Process is same. We will make first some changes. So Arba'un will be transformed into Arba'ata, Khamsun will be transformed into Khamsata, and Sittun will be transformed into Sittata. So Arba'ata, Khamsata, Sittata. Then we will add Ashara at the end of these numbers. So when we add Ashara to Arba'ata, we get Arba'ata Ashara. Arba'ata Ashara is 14. When we add Ashara to Khamsata, we get Khamsata Ashara. Khamsata Ashara is 15. And when we add Ashara to Sittata, we get Sittata Ashara. Sittata Ashara is 16. Arba'ata Ashara, 14. Khamsata Ashara, 15. Sittata Ashara, 16. Lastly, we have Sab'un, Thamanin, Tis'un. Sab'un, 7, Thamanin. 8, tis'un, 9. First, we will make some changes. Sab'un will be transformed into sab'ata. Thamanin will be transformed into thamaniyata. Tis'un will be transformed into tis'ata. And then we will add ashara at the end of these numbers. So when we add ashara to sab'ata, we get sab'ata ashara, 17. Sab'ata ashara, 17. When we add ashara to thamaniyata, we get thamaniyata ashara. Thamaniyata ashara is 18. And lastly, when we add ashara at the end of tis'ata, we get tis'ata ashara, 19. Tis'ata ashara, 19. So here are asharat all together. Ahada ashara, 11. Ithna ashara, 12. Thalathata ashara, 13. Arba'ata ashara, 14. Khamsata ashara, 15. Sittata ashara, 16. Sab'ata ashara, 17. Thamaniyata ashara, 18. Tis'ata ashara, 19. In today's lesson, we are going to learn numbers from 20 till 90. Here is a formula of learning numbers which are called tens or asharat. What we have to do, we just need to learn numbers which are called unit numbers from 1 till 10, and we have to add una at the end of these numbers. Thus, we can have tens or asharat. So for instance, if a unit number is thalath, we add una at the end, it turns out thalathun, and this is tens of Arabic. So these are unit numbers: ashrun, thalathun, arba'un, khamsun. So ashrun is 10, thalath is 3, arba' is 4, and khams is 5. So given the formula, what we have to do, we just have to remove the tanween which creates a noon sound, and we just have to add una at the end. So you will see that by just using this formula, we will get tens or ashara. So ashrun is 10, we add una, it becomes ashruna. There is a slight difference. The zabar of ain changed into kasra. So ashrun, after being added una at the end, it became ashruna. So ashrun is 10 and ashruna is 20. Then we add thalathun and we add una at the end, we get thalathuna. So thalath is 3. After adding una, it became thalathun, 30. Then we have arba'un. We added una at the end and we get arba'una. So arba'un is 4 and arba'una is 40. Then we have khamsun. Khamsun is 5. We added una at the end. It became khamsuna. From khamsun, it became khamsuna. So khamsun is 5 and khamsuna is 50. Then we have numbers from 6 till 9. So sittun is 6, sab'un 7, thamanin 8, tis'un 9. So by using the formula and adding una at the end, we can get tens or asharat. So sittun, we added una at the end, we get sittuna. Sittun 6, sittuna 60. Sab'un, we added una, we get sab'una. So sab'un is 7 and sab'una is 70. Thamanin, we added una at the end, we get thamanuna. Thamanin 8, thamanuna 80. Tis'un 9, we add una at the end and we get tis'una. So these numbers are asharat or tens in Arabic. Here is a review. Ishruna 20, thalathuna 30, arba'una 40, khamsuna 50, sittuna 60, sab'una 70, thamanuna 80, tis'una 90. In this video, we are going to learn numbers which are known as hundreds or mi'at in Arabic. They are 100, 200, 300 till 900. Let's begin today's lesson. 100 mi'atun. 100 mi'atun. I believe you have watched the video where we have discussed unit numbers and you are now ready to use unit numbers to create hundreds. So to make 200 we take 100 which is mi'atun, or we can say it mi'a, and then we add ani at the end. So mi'atun will omit the tanween which is creating noon sound, and we will add ani at the end. So it will become mi'atani. So mi'atun is 100, mi'atani 200. Mi'atun 100, mi'atani 200. Now we'll use unit numbers to create other hundreds. So as you can see on the screen, we have ثلاث, أربع, خمس. ثلاث is 3, أربع is 4, and خمس is 5. So what we'll do is, to make it 300, 400, 500, we'll add mi'atun at the end. So you will see ثلاث, we added mi'a at the end, it became ثلاث مئة. ثلاث, we add mi'atun at the end, it become ثلاث مئة. ثلاث, 3, ثلاث مئة. Similarly, we have 4, أربع, so we'll add mi'atun at the end. So أربع, we added mi'a, it become أربع مئة. أربع, we add mi'a, it become أربع مئة. أربع, 4, أربع مئة, 400. Similarly, خمس, 5, we add mi'atun at the end, it became khamsu mi'atin. Khamsun, 5, khamsu mi'atin, 500. Then we have these unit numbers: sittun, sab'un, thamanin, tis'un. Sittun 6, sab'un 7, thamanin 8, tis'un 9. And we want to make hundreds from them. So the formula is same. We will just add mi'atun at the end. So sittun, we add mi'atun, it became sittu mi'atin. Sittun, we add mi'atun at the end, it became sittu mi'atin. So sittun is 6, sittu mi'atin 600. Sittun 6, sittu mi'atin 600. Similarly, we add mi'atun at the end of sab'un, it became sab'u mi'atin. Sab'un, we add mi'atun, it became sab'u mi'atin. So sab'un 7, sab'u mi'atin 700. Sab'un 7, sab'u mi'atin 700. Similarly, we have thamanin, we add mi'atun at the end, it became thamanu mi'atin. So thaman 8, thamanu mi'atin 800. Thaman 8, thamanu mi'atin 800. Lastly, we have tis'un, which is 9, we add mi'atun at the end, it became tis'u mi'atin. So tis'un 9, tis'u mi'atin 900. Tis'un 9, tis'u mi'atin 900. Here are mi'at all together. Mi'at means hundreds. Mi'atun 100. Mi'atun 100. Mi'atani 200. Mi'atani 200. Thalathu mi'atin 300. Thalathu mi'atin 300. Arba'u mi'atin 400. Arba'u mi'atin 400. Khamsu mi'atin 500. Khamsu mi'atin 500. Sittu mi'atin 600. Sittu mi'atin 600. Sab'u mi'atin 700. Sab'u mi'atin 700. Thamanu mi'atin 800. Thamanu mi'atin 800. Tis'u mi'atin 900. In this video, we are going to learn thousands or alaf in Arabic, numbers which are 1000, 2000, 3000 till 10,000. So let's begin our lesson. First, we are going to learn how do we say 1000 in Arabic. So 1000, we call it alfun or alf. So whenever we listen the word alf, it means 1000. Alfun or alf, 1000. Now to make 2000, we have alfun or alf, and now we want to say 2000. So what we will do, we will just add ani at the end. So alf, we add ani, it becomes alfani. So alfun 1000, alfani 2000. Alfun 1000, alfani 2000. Now if we want more than 2000, we have to transform alfun. So alfun will be transformed into alaf. So alfun is 1000 and alaf is the transformed version of alfun. Or you can say alfun is one single thousand and alaf is the plural version of thousand. So that was the first step. Alfun, we transformed it into its plural form. That was step 1. Now for step 2, we need to use unit numbers. So let's move on to step 2, where we will use unit numbers to create thousand numbers. So in this video we are going to create 3000, 4000, 5000 and 6000. So as you can see on the screen, we have 4 unit numbers from ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة and ستة. What we will do, we will just add alaf at the end. As we saw in the first step, this is the plural version of alfun. Alfun is 1000 and alaf is the plural form. So we will add alaf at the end of thalathatun. We will get thalathatu alafin. Thalathatun 3, thalathatu alafin 3000. Thalathatun 3, thalathatu alafin 3000. Similarly, if we add alaf at the end of arba'atun, we will get arba'atu alafin. Arba'atun 4, arba'atu alafin 4000. Arba'atun 4, arba'atu alafin 4000. If we add alaf at the end of khamsatun, we will get khamsatu alafin. Khamsatun 5, khamsatu alafin 5000. Khamsatun 5, khamsatu alafin 5000. Similarly, if we add alaf at the end of sittatun, we will get sittatu alafin. Sittatun 6, sittatu alafin 6000. Sittatun 6, sittatu alafin 6000. Then we have these 4 unit numbers: sabatun, thamaniyatun, tisatun, asharatun, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we want to make 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. So again we'll follow the same formula. We'll add alaf at the end of each unit numbers. So sabatun, we add alaf, we get sab'atu alafin. Sab'atun 7, sab'atu alafin 7000. Sab'atun 7, sab'atu alafin 7000. Thamaniyatun 8, we add alaf, we get thamaniyatu alafin. Thamaniyatun 8, thamaniyatu alafin 8000. Thamaniyatun 8, thamaniyatu alafin 8000. Then we have tis'atun, we add alaf, we get tis'atu alafin. Tis'atun 9, tis'atu alafin 9000. Tis'atun 9, tis'atu alafin 9000. Lastly, we have asharatun 10, we add alaf, we get asharatu alafin. Asharatun 10, asharatu alafin 10,000. Asharatun 10, asharatu alafin 10,000. So here are thousands or alaf all together. Alfun 1000, alfun 1000, alfani 2000, alfani 2000, thalathatu alafin 3000, thalathatu alafin 3000, arba'atu alafin 4000, arba'atu alafin 4000, khamsatu alafin 5000, khamsatu alafin 5000, sittatu alafin 6000, sittatu alafin 6000, sab'atu alafin 7000, سبعة آلاف 7,000. ثمانية آلاف 8,000. ثمانية آلاف 8,000. تسعة آلاف 9,000. تسعة آلاف 9,000. عشرة آلاف 10,000. عشرة آلاف 10,000. In this video, we are going to learn numbers from 10,000 to 100,000. So our objectives are to pronounce these numbers and to construct and write these numbers correctly. Before we begin our today's lesson, first go check the video where I discuss numbers from 20 till 90, from 20 till 90, as these numbers will be very much helpful in understanding numbers from 10,000 till 100,000. So we know that 1000 is alfun in Arabic. Alfun or alf is 1000 in Arabic. So it will be used in creating numbers from 10,000 till 100,000. And 10,000 is asharatu alafin. Asharatu alafin is 10,000 in Arabic. So now let's see how will we create 10,000s from teen numbers and alf. So let's create numbers from 20,000 till 40,000. So first we are going to take Ishrun, Thalathun and Arba'un. These are teen numbers in Arabic. So Ishrun is 20, Thalathun is 30 and Arba'un is 40. So from these numbers we are going to create thousands. So what we are going to do? We are going to add alfan at the end of these numbers. So if I add alfan at the end of Ishrun, it will become Ishruna alfan. So Ishrun is 20 and Ishruna alfan is 20,000. Ishruna alfan is 20,000. Similarly, if I add alfan at the end of Thalathun, it will become Thalathuna alfan. Thalathuna alfan, 30,000. Likewise, if I add alfan at the end of Arba'un, it will become Arba'una alfan, 40,000. Arba'una alfan. Now from 50,000 till 70,000. First we are going to use teen numbers which are Khamsun 50, Sittun 60, Sab'un 70. Formula is same. We are going to add alfan at the end of these teen numbers. So when I add alfan at the end of Khamsun, I got Khamsuna alfan, 50,000. Khamsuna is 50 and Khamsuna alfan is 50,000. Similarly, if I add alfan at the end of Sittun, I got Sittuna alfan, 60,000. Sittuna is 60, Sittuna alfan, 60,000. Likewise, if I add alfan at the end of Sab'un, I got Sab'una alfan, 70,000. Sab'una is 70 and Sab'una alfan is 70,000. Now to create numbers from 80,000 till 100,000, we are going to take Thamanun, 80, Tis'un, 90 and Mi'atun, 100. Thamanun, 80, Tis'un, 90, Mi'atun, 100. And similarly we are going to add alfan at the end of these numbers. So thamanuna alfan, 80,000. Thamanun is 80. I add alfan at the end, so I got thamanuna alfan. Similarly, if I add alfan at the end of tis'un, I got tis'una alfan. Tis'un is 90 and tis'una alfan is 90,000. Similarly, if I add alf at the end of mi'a, I will get mi'atu alfin. Now there is a very slight change in the use of alf. With mi'a, you will see it. So mi'atu alfin. Mi'atun is 100. I add alfin at the end. So I got mi'atu alfin. So this is the change while using alf with mi'a. So mi'a 100, mi'atu alfin 100,000. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you have learned something new, kindly do share it with your friends. I will be back with a new video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.